Hello friends, this machine is equipped with ALS, that is Automated Lubrication System. Now we will tell you about the main components of the automated lubrication system. See, this is the pump reservoir which contains the grease. The second main component is the timer unit. This is the front timer unit. It has the set buttons, reset buttons and the controls to adjust the greasing timings. There is also a rear timer unit which is located at the back of the console, and that timer is used for backhoe. The third main component is manual valve block. When you pull it out, the greasing starts at the rear end, that is the backhoe unit, and when you push it inside, the greasing starts at the front end, that is the loader end. It also has 2 primary divider blocks and 6 secondary divider blocks. The grease from the pump reservoir reaches the primary divider block and finally goes to the greasing points through secondary divider blocks. Now we will show you how the ALS system works. First, we have to start the ignition. See, the ignition has started. As the ignition starts, the timer unit starts. See, these are the LEDs showing different operational conditions during the greasing process. When the green light is on, the lubrication cycle starts. When the blue LED is on, this means that the lubrication cycle is off. And when the last one, the red light is on, it shows that the system has any fault, which may be blockage or leakage, etc. According to JCB standards, the lubrication cycle is 30 minutes on time and 1 hour off time, which means after every 1 hour of operation, the greasing starts for 30 minutes. Now, as the green light is on, actuator motor starts, which rotates the pump, and it as a result delivers the grease to the primary divider blocks. This manual valve block, as explained earlier, decides the directional flow of grease. Now, after the pump reservoir, we will show you the primary divider block, which is located at the rear of the machine. These are the primary blocks. This is the first primary block and this is the secondary primary block. This primary block is responsible for greasing at the loader arm, and this primary block is responsible for greasing at the rear end, that is the backhoe. Now the primary divider block provides grease to the secondary divider block. There are 2 secondary divider blocks which are located each arm of the loader. These are the 2 secondary divider blocks. Each secondary block is having 11 greasing points. Since every point requires grease in a different quantity, therefore the secondary divider blocks are designed in such a way that the grease reaches at each point in the right proportion. Now we will tell you the 11 greasing points which are situated on each arm of the loader. Loader tower top, lower tower bottom, lift ram dump, interlever bottom, interlever middle, interlever top. Lift ram type: shovel lever bottom, shovel lever top, shovel bottom. These greasing points are also located on the other side of the loader arm. So there are 22 points in total on the loader arm. Now we will show you how greasing takes place on the boom and the dipper side. The grease from the primary divider block reaches the backhoe greasing points through secondary divider blocks, which are situated each on the dipper, boom and 1 below the chassis. There are overall 23 greasing points on the backhoe unit. This is the secondary divider block situated on the top side of the boom, and it is responsible for greasing the points on the boom end. Now, This is the secondary divider block situated on the dipper, and similarly it is responsible for greasing dipper and the bucket. The fifth secondary block is situated right below the chassis and greases the critical point on the KPC, that is king post carrier. The last, that is the sixth secondary divider block, is situated on the front axle near the pivot point, and it is responsible for greasing 7 points. These are the greasing points located on the axle.